We'll start with our left hand into this gesture of wisdom. So we're going to connect Jupiter and Mars. We're going to hold this hand, the left hand, onto the knee, palm up. And you're going to use your index, again, Jupiter, and thumb to alternately open and close the nostrils, all right? So we're just going to poise the right hand in front of the face. Take a breath in. Now use your right thumb to close the right nostril and exhale through the left. Breathe in through the left. Now close the left with the index and breathe out through the right. In through the right. Close, exhale through the left. And just stay nice and smoothly doing this breath. Eyes are closed and gently roll them up to the third eye point, the space between the brows, stimulating the pituitary. Making your breath long and deep, nice and smooth. We're balancing all aspects of our breathing and our brain. Taking your time with this. This is such an important breath practice to understand how to utilize. It creates whole brain thinking, and it balances your pranic energies, all 5 of the energy flows of wind in the body associated with your breathing. It's very, very good to regulate your nervous system in a positive way. So we're here for about 1 more minute. The next time that you breathe out through your left nostril, exhale through the left, drop your hand down and just sit real still and breathe a natural breath for about 30 seconds or so. Keep the eyes closed. Stay in the space of balance.